Hello everyone, Forex here. In this tutorial I want to show you the establishing shot, which is a name for the cool effect that you can see in many places in the game. It's the UAV shot displaying the island from quite some distance, and there's some text in the corner of the screen. It's a great way to show the player, my mission is good. See all these effects? I know how to make a nice mission and you will enjoy playing it. Also, don't forget to watch my other tutorials from the mission presentation series to really improve the looks of your mission. Alright, you will need a script called init.sqf. This script is a little bit special because you don't need to launch it anywhere. It is launched automatically by the game at the very start of a mission. I'll most probably talk a little bit more about that in the future video, but for now all you need to know is that the script is launched at the start of the mission. The reason why I want to use that script is that there is no better way to launch something at the very beginning of a mission. If you use a trigger, there will always be some time between the start of the mission and the activation of the trigger, and that totally ruins the first impression for every player, so it's always better to use init.sqf if you want a fluent transmission from the loading screen to the mission. Anyways, open the init.sqf and insert the following code. We will be using the function establishing shot that is easy to set up and does all the work for you. All you have to do is to correctly launch the function with the correct parameters. The code will be on pastebin as always and the link will be in the description. Copy that into your script and now change a few parameters like text and the position. Actually, let's explain these parameters. The first one should be either the location or the unit that you want to follow. This will be the center point. Next, you have the text that is gonna show on the screen. Note that there is little space for long sentences and you cannot jump to the next line. So you should keep the text as short as possible, like 2 or 3 words. It should be something really short like around, the name of the village, or before the attack. If you will use a long sentence like reports of enemy infantry and armored vehicles to the south of main base, it's just gonna look ridiculous and will serve no purpose at all. Next we have a few numbers, so the third parameter is the altitude of the camera, the fourth is the radius of camera's movement. Next we have the viewing angle, and the sixth parameter is either 0 or 1. 0 for anti-clockwise movement, 1 for clockwise movement. And the last thing you can do is to add icons on the map to help the player to indicate where his and enemy forces are. You can use it, you don't have to. As this is an array in another array, I'll explain to you all the parts of this one parameter. First you have the name of the icon, which is most usually a path to the in-game icon. Next is the color of the icon, target location, size in the x-axis, size in the y-axis, angle, text and shadow. Of course I cannot just give you one example and be done with it, so on the pastebin page you will find almost 100 different icon names that you can use. I also found the official color codes used in the game for BLU4, OP4 and the independent sites, so you will be able to really make whatever you want. So yes, once you set up your establishing shot parameters, you can save the script and test your mission. Oh, and one last thing, when calling the function, only the first 2 parameters are needed. The rest of them is optional, so if you don't want the icons on the screen, you can avoid using them. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope to see you all in the next one. Comment, like and share and have a great day.